Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing a little Kohl's haul. And this is a very little haul when I say that. But there's a few things that I just wanted to share with you. So if you're interested, I hope you keep watching. But before we begin, I'm going to share with you my dress. This is a Modcloth dress. It's very breezy, very wide, poofy dress like the old school ladies used to wear. This is one of my favorites. I have two Modcloth dresses. The other one is sleeveless. This one obviously has short sleeves. I purchased both of them on Poshmark. So that's a really good option if you're looking for any kind of secondhand clothes at a reasonable price. And they also have name brands that you're probably already shopping around for. So jumping right into this little very small haul, one of the main things I wanted to share was these seamless bras that I purchased at Kohl's. That is like, I only have two items, these bras and this bag. So I'm going to show those really quick. They're all the same. I got 4 of them and I have 1 of them on, so can't show that one. But this is how they look. They're like sports bras, and I have white, black, pink, and then a navy blue. These are so perfect for anyone like myself who has been home, not always wearing one, an official one, you know, like if I'm working from home, I'm not putting one on. Running out and about, I'm not putting one on. And I don't know how this is for like bigger chested women, but if you're on the smaller side, it's much easier to get away with not wearing one. So I was able to do that many times. But now trying to ease back in, I needed some new ones. And I found these perfect ones at Kohl's. They are seamless, just like the tag says. They have a slight padding in here to conceal everything, make it nice and smooth. And it's just like wearing a sports bra, I guess, but I feel like the coverage is a little bit better. It has a better lift, and it's the perfect thing if you're trying to ease back into wearing a bra without actually wearing a bra. And I tend to wear tank tops and things under my clothes anyway. This is like the perfect thing. The straps are thick, they're not going to dig into your skin, and the coverage in the back is nice, hides any kind of like back fat that might be there. It goes up pretty high on the sides too, so it like provides a nice coverage on the edges, and everything is nice and smooth going across. It's just like, I don't think you can go wrong with these. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick up close of this bra. I guess you have to call it a bra, but it's more like a cut-off tank top. Again, it's very comfortable. It has this band at the bottom here. This is how it looks on the back. And one additional thing that I didn't even realize when I got this is that it has removable little cushion things in here. So there's a little pocket underneath here, and you can pull this thing out. And this is what gives you that added coverage so nothing pokes through, if you know what I mean. And you can also add more than one of these in if you want. So if you have another one of these and you want to just give a little more fullness, you can insert one of the other little padding things. It's very thin padding, but it covers nicely, and it's just really comfortable. And I'm inserting this little clip now, but I've been wearing these, not this one yet, but the other ones, for a little while now, and they're very comfortable. I have to say, extremely comfortable. I highly recommend this. It's very soft even at the shoulder. You know, you don't have that extra clasp in the back scratching you. You don't have the skinny straps digging into your shoulders. Everything is nice and smooth, so any clothing that goes over this just lays nicely over it. And I can't say any bad things about it. So here it is. So So I did want to recommend them. Kohl's always has nice sales. These were priced, the tag shows $26. They rang up at $19.99. So I got 4 of those. And then on my way out the door, I was at the register and I saw this bag. Oh my goodness, this bag is so cute. This is the bag right here. Let's get a little close up on this. It has the rattan patterning on it. Nice leather flap here with the closure snap. And you see that little detailing right there on the front. And here's the rattan. It's a nice cute size with the little handle. Here is the back of it. Really, really cute. This is actually made by Lauren Conrad. She has a line at Kohl's, and I wasn't, you know, looking for anything in particular. I didn't even know who made this, but when I saw this bag sitting on the shelf right at the register, I had to pick it up. And on the inside, it just has a small little pocket. Nothing else really going on in there. And then it just closes just like this. Before I go, I have to mention that the bag was marked at $59, and when I got to the register, it rang up at like $35, $37, somewhere around there, with an additional sale that I didn't even know I was gonna get. Kohl's is famous for that. They're always having sales and they're always discounting items. So just wanted to let you know about that. This is like the perfect size, perfect summer bag. And we're like almost like smack in the middle of summer. And I feel like this is like the perfect thing to go with a lot of the dresses that I've been purchasing lately. So this is it. It does come with a shoulder strap, which I've already attached, which of course is adjustable. So I'll try this on with the cross strap just to show how everything is. And actually it has rose gold as the hardware. Really, really cute. So just put this across like that. So in addition to these items, I did also purchase a slip and 2 shapewear items. You can not go wrong with shapewear also at Kohl's. This video is not sponsored. I just figured I'd share. I just went to Kohl's earlier today and I'm like, this is perfect for people to just know about what's out here. I know there are certain stores that a lot of people are not familiar with or have kind of just driven past and don't really pay too much attention to, but you need to pay attention to Kohl's. In addition to these purchases, when I got to the register, I got 15% off just by the cashier scratching off a little rewards card for me, and she gave me the 15% off, and then I got $30 in Kohl's cash. And what that means is that I can go back to the store next week, buy something that costs $30 or more, and the Kohl's cash will pay for that item, so it's pretty much free. So you can't go wrong. So I just wanted to recommend that and let you know what is available. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.